In this video, I will guide you on how to add songs to collaborative playlist on Spotify. First, you need to join the collaborative playlist. For that, open the invite link. Once you have opened it, here you want to tap on the option of join playlist. Once you have joined the playlist, now you can add songs using two methods. The first method is you can add songs directly from the playlist. For that, tap on the add to this playlist option and then simply find the songs that you want to add. Then tap on this plus icon, and in this way you can add as many songs as you want. The next method is while browsing music. Find any song you want to add while browsing Spotify. Now tap on the three dots next to the song title. Here, select add to playlist. Now choose the collaborative playlist from your library list. In this way, you can easily add songs to collaborative playlist on Spotify. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.